Hello everyone! Today's topic is about the guide for beginners in the gym. You just started the gym, but damn confused what should you do? Or not? So relax, I got you. First thing first. Warm-up plays a major role in any exercise, so do a good light cardio exercises. Like jogging at one place or jumping jacks or brisk walking for 5 to 7 minutes as a warm-up. Now let's move on to the exercise routine. Then listen to this carefully. You need to do strength training 2 to 3 times a week. Start slow with planks, crunches, and push-up, then you can increase the difficulty level. You need to do cardio exercises too. For your heart health, minimum 2 times a week, like walking, jogging, cycling or rowing for minimum 20 to 30 min. Now the most important thing is stretching, because you should be flexible at whatever age category you are in. Allow yourself to rest for 1 to 2 days per week to recover yourself from post-exercise soreness and to avoid injuries. One golden advice to you: don't rush the process. Go slow and progressively increase your weights without any compromising forms and technique for exercises. Please don't hesitate to get more guidance from personal trainers in your gyms. Happy workout to you all! Thanks for watching. Let me know your view in the comments box. Don't forget to subscribe.